Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a delicious and soft Suji cake, a perfect tea time treat. The cake is lighter and healthier than traditional butter cakes. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1/3 cup curd or yogurt. Add 2/3 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup oil. Whisk well until smooth. Use thick curd or yogurt for a rich and moist texture. Add 1 cup suji or semolina and half cup milk. Suji or semolina is widely used in dessert across different cultures. Mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes to soften. Resting suji in milk makes the cake softer and fluffier. Sieve together half cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Pour 1/4 cup milk gradually and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix gently until combined. Take 6-inch mold and grease it with oil. Place baking paper inside. Pour the batter and spread evenly. Top with cherries and cashews for extra flavor and crunch. Place the curry pan on the stove. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the cake mold inside. Cover and cook for 35 to 40 minutes on low heat. Cover while cooking to ensure even baking on the stove top. Let the cake cool completely before slicing. Suji is a good source of fiber, aiding digestion. Cashews provide healthy fats and enhance the cake's taste. Cut into pieces and enjoy. This Suji cake is soft, moist and full of flavor. Try this easy recipe and let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.